In today's video, I am going to teach you how to customize your Wix forum. Start by logging into your Wix account and opening the website you want to edit from your dashboard. Once the site loads, click Design Site to enter the editor. From there, go to the forum page so you can access the section you want to customize. On the forum page, click on a forum post or click directly on the forum section to select it. This will bring up the available editing options for your forum. After the forum element is selected, click Settings to open the Forum Settings panel. Inside the Forum Post Settings panel, find and open the Layout section. This area lets you control the visual appearance of your forum posts. One of the settings you can adjust here is the card corner radius. Change this setting to make the corners of your forum postcards look sharper or more rounded, depending on the style you want for your site. Next, look for the spacing density setting. This option allows you to control how much space appears between forum elements. You can choose a layout such as compact, comfortable, or spacious. Select the one that matches the look and feel you want for your forum. A compact layout can make the page feel tighter and more efficient, while a spacious layout can create a cleaner and more open appearance. Continue reviewing the other settings available in the panel and adjust them as needed. The available options may help you refine the overall presentation of your forum so it fits the design of your website. Take a moment to make sure the layout and styling choices match the rest of your site. Once you are done making changes, close the Settings panel. Then click Preview to see how your customized forum will look to visitors. This is a useful step because it lets you confirm that everything appears the way you intended before publishing the update. If everything looks good in preview mode, click Publish to make your forum changes live on your website. Publishing ensures that visitors will see the updated forum design right away. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.